How to turn off console mode in Blox Fruits. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in Blox Fruits, there isn't a console mode that you can turn on or off. However, if you want to disable console controls or are stuck with the controls that act like console, like on Xbox, or if your PC controls are behaving like a controller, here's how you can fix it depending on your situation. So first of all, if you're stuck in the console mode on PC, sometimes the game might think that you're using a controller even if you're not, so disconnect your controller or the gamepad if it's plugged in. Restart Blox Fruits and reload the game, and use your keyboard and mouse to get your PC controls back. You can also try disabling the console UI. If the game's menu look like they designed for Xbox or PlayStation, press any key on your keyboard or move your mouse, and this should change the menus back to the PC version. And if that does not work, reset your character or rejoin the game. And if you're playing on console or Xbox or PlayStation, you cannot disable console mode on the console because you're playing the console version of the game. If you want PC features, you will need to play on the PC or a mobile device. And on PC, you can use the shift lock or press shift to move more easily. And on consoles, you can change settings in the Roblox system menu. And you can explain exactly what you mean by console mode, for example, issues with the controls, the user interface, and the platform. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.